Alright guys, so I got a new haircut and I got the we're gonna be changing the oil on Honda CRV, the 2014 one. I got the oil and the oil filter. So let's start. So once I loosen this bolt, the oil's gonna come out. It's hot. It's hot. So lefty loosen. I can use my fingers. It's hot. Almost there.
Don't drop it, okay?
Oh, that's hot. Oh, burning. Burning in my fingers. It's the oil running, coming out. Yeah. Getting in this big container. So, since all the oil came out, you put the plug back in. It's gonna be hard. The filter's hot. Oh, okay. Where's the hard part? Yeah. Okay, that probably is tight enough. So, I'm gonna take the filter out. My dad loosened it a little bit for me. It's pretty hot. Oh, oil dripping. Ow, ow. Oh, that whole rag is cooked. It's coming out. Oh, Jesus. It dropped. Look at this rag's cooked. So, we're getting the new filter. It's upside down. I don't know why. It's sideways. It's the S7317 oil filter. So we're gonna put it on. So you have to lubricate the filter. You have to get some on your finger and lubricate it a little bit. Can't get it. Okay. The sides. So yeah, I think good. And then you just put it in. So we're putting it back on. This way, right? Oh gosh. Can't. Okay. Okay, it's getting on. My hand's a little slippery. I need a tool. Okay, so we're putting the oil. And you put the cap here. So putting the oil. Okay, so this is number 1. I got number 2. So now let's get number 3. It's number 2. Number 3. Okay, so the 4th one, number 4. There. All done. Okay, so you gotta take this out, put somewhere. Got the cap. Gotta twist it. It's the final thing you have to do. Okay, I think we're done now. So yeah, bye.